Welcome to The Explainer. Let's just jump straight into it, because today we are looking at a massive paradigm shift in how digital content is valued. Look, we're standing right on the edge of Web 4.0, the symbiotic web. For the longest time, we've basically treated content as static archives, right? Just words and audio sitting on a server waiting for a human to hopefully find them. But that era is ending. Today, we're shifting into a world of machine-interpretable intelligence. And honestly, if you have high-value intellectual property, it is time to stop giving it away for free and start engineering your place in the global intelligence grid.
Here's the reality we all need to confront right now. You have to transition from ad-based revenue to intelligence-based monetization. Make the machines pay for your expertise. In the old Web 2.0 model, we entirely relied on human clicks to generate ad revenue. That model treated your content as a static archive, and frankly, it's a dying revenue stream. Why? Because AI agents and search bots do not click on banner ads. They just don't. But in Web 4.0, your data is treated as machine-interpretable intelligence. It actively verifies your authority, and instead of relying on unpredictable ads, the whole thing relies on automated microfees. Okay, let's dive into exactly how this works. Picture a really sleek dashboard tracking your agent traffic. First, a bot from a major AI company attempts to crawl and ingest your high-value dataset so it can train its models. Instantly, your Cloudflare worker proxy intercepts that bot. Suddenly, a 402 payment required flashes, basically letting the bot know, hey, you can't access this ground truth data for free. This triggers an automatic microtransaction, processed instantly. The AI gets the high-fidelity data it needs to be accurate, and you get paid. Automatically. It's a real game changer.
To actually make this happen, we use the Nexus 4 framework. This is a four-step evolutionary blueprint. Phase 1 is extraction. Phase 2 is verification. Phase 3 is semantic priming. And finally, Phase 4 is 402 monetization.
So kicking things off with Phase I extraction, also known as the intake. This is that vital bridge, taking your raw human signal and turning it into ground truth.
You might actually want to pause the explainer and zoom in on these granular details because they are the absolute foundation of protecting your IP. Think about all your podcasts or videos. Right now, to a machine, they're just dark data. To bring them into the light, we deploy GPU-accelerated diarized signal isolation. We absolutely do not use generic cloud transcription because that loses the nuance and specific technical terminology of your voice. We isolate it perfectly. Then, we use SHA-256 cryptographic anchoring. Every transcript is mathematically hashed to the original audio. Think of it like an unbreakable digital wax seal. It literally defeats deepfakes. And finally, local processing ensures strict data sovereignty. Your raw IP never hits a public cloud until you explicitly say so.
Which brings us to Phase 2, verification, or the trust loop. Here, we are moving your content from untrusted data into mathematically authenticated assets.
Now, what's really interesting about this is how we mathematically prove to the global web that this content is undeniably yours. We do this through globally recognized C2PA standards, which means AI web crawlers can confirm the file is original. We also use organization validation, or OV credentials. So we aren't just uploading a file, we are tying that digital asset directly to your legally verified business entity. Finally, we map the whole shebang out using a semantic trust loop with JSON LD schema. The web page hosts the media, the schema declares you as the owner, and your identity is backed by a public certificate. AI crawlers see this setup and instantly recognize your data as highly trustworthy.
Once they trust you, we enter Phase 3, semantic priming, or the inoculation. This is exactly how you become the absolute institutional ground truth in your niche.
Look, search engine optimization is for humans looking at lists of links, but how do you optimize for machines? Enter Answer Engine Optimization, or AEO. We deploy specialized high-priority registries, specifically llms.txt and llms.full.txt files. These are essentially maps meticulously designed for LLM crawlers, like GPTbot or OAI SearchBot. Instead of just crossing our fingers and hoping an AI randomly finds your site, we use indexing loops that actively signal to answer engines like Perplexity or Gemini that your data is structured, verified, and explicitly ready for direct answer synthesis. We're actively teaching the AI agents exactly how to read and prioritize your content.
And that brings us to the climax of the explainer. Phase 4, accessibility, and 402 monetization, the exit. This is where we activate the pay-per-crawl protocol.
So, the crucial point is this seemingly simple HTTP error code, 402, payment required. I cannot stress this enough. This little number is the massive key to your entirely new revenue stream.
Let's break down the mechanics behind the proxy. We gate your high-value semantic data using high-performance edge proxy deployment via Cloudflare workers. Remember, AI routing agents don't care about your beautifully designed banner ads. They are terrible at clicking them, but man, they are great at scraping your hard work. But when they hit your Cloudflare proxy, they trigger the 402 monetization protocol. To get the data, they must pay an automatic microfee. And you might be wondering, why would a major AI company pay? Because of the authority-based fees you've justified through the first 3 phases. You've provided verified, cryptographically anchored, high-fidelity accuracy. AI companies desperately need accurate ground truth to prevent their models from hallucinating, so they will gladly pay these automated microfees for your verified intelligence.
And this brilliantly illustrates the complete evolutionary blueprint. It shows the whole journey, from capturing and authenticating your raw data with sovereign cryptographic trust, to influencing the machines with AEO registries, and finally, capturing real financial value through the 402 protocol. You go from being a static legacy publication into a highly paid, actively verified node in the global intelligence grid.
So if you're ready to future-proof your business, it is time to join the global intelligence grid. We are incredibly excited to announce the launch of our new platform at www.samel.inc. You can find all the contents of this explainer over there, along with tailor-made reports and plug-and-play documents that you can integrate directly into your own projects to shed light on these subjects. For the really granular details, pricing, and to see exactly how this framework fits your specific intellectual property, reach out to us at info@samel.biz. And of course, you can find this explainer and our other resources across all major apps. Whether you prefer listening on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, Amazon Music, Castro, Podbean, Audible, you name it, we're there.
Which leaves us with one final, very important question to consider today. Look closely at your archives. Look at your insights, your voice, your hard-earned expertise. Are you ready to stop giving away your dark data for free and start making the machines pay? The technology is literally here. The Web 4.0 transition is happening right now. It is time to monetize the crawl. Thanks so much for learning with us today, and we'll see you in the next explainer.